Okay, this is number 52 on page 42, where we're supposed to go back to number 48 and look at that formula, and without substituting any values, just solve this for S. So this is the formula for the total surface area of a cone, and if we've got R for the radius and pi, of course, and S happens to be the slant height of the cone. So anyway, the way to isolate the S, I think the best thing to do first is to isolate the entire S plus R that's in the parentheses there on one side. So what I would do is S plus R is being multiplied by pi and R, so I'm going to divide both sides by pi times R. And when I do, then, of course, that cancels out, so I've got S plus R is equal to the area over pi R. So I'm going to rewrite this with the S plus R on the left. So the last step would be to subtract R from both sides. So keeping the S in red here, the slant height is equal to the area over pi times the radius, and if I subtract R from both sides, minus R. Okay, so that's fine. That's one form of the answer, and that might be what is in your book. Another form of that answer would be, you could actually start with this, and sometimes in your textbook or in certain sources they want to have an entire side of a formula all over a common denominator. So if I put this R over pi R, I could do that by multiplying it by 1 in the form of pi R over pi R. Then I would have slant height is equal to both of these would be over pi R, and I would have A over pi R minus R times pi R over the pi R. So pi and then an R squared, which might look familiar to you, pi R squared. So these two are just equivalent. They're just different forms of the same formula. And that's it.